Hi, Sarah here with a planner decorating video for you today. I am using my Fab Planner Print Pink Planner Girl sticker kit, which I'm just showing you here. I have my code 10Sarah for you for 10% off if you want to go and order that, and I'll leave links below. To begin with, I am just going to be adding some stenciled hearts to my pages. These are pages by Annie Plans Printables, which are vertical A5 on 2 pages. And I'm just pressing through some Versamark ink onto the page behind, and I'm just putting it on the lower half of each page. Now I'm just folding this piece of paper in two, which just makes it easier for me to pour my embossing powder back into the jar again. And because the ink is sticky, I'm just adding embossing powder over the top, which sticks to the hearts. This is rose gold embossing powder by Lawn Fawn. And once I've added that to my pages, I just tap off any excess, pour it back into my pot, and then if there's any bits that are smudged, then I can just rub them off with a brush or my finger, and these are ready to heat up. So I take my heat tool and just warm up the powder, which then melts it into a shimmery metallic loveliness, as you can see just there. I'm trying to get it to catch the light. And now I'm going to start adding my stickers, which does mean that I end up covering up most of my embossing, but it doesn't really matter. It was fun to do anyway. I probably should put more on maybe. I'm adding the header washi strips first. I'm not using a kit which is the right size. I don't really end up using the right size kits. I just go with whatever, and then I just trim them out so that they fit. And then I've just got a few extra bits of washi left over, which I can use on a different spread. And as you can see there, all I've done is just trimmed off the bit that's too wide at the top, then trimmed off the edge of one and added it to the other side. And then I can just snip off the extra wide bit there. And then down the spine where the rings go, I'm just going to add a couple of washis. I'm using this spotty gold one, and then I've also got a glitter pink one, which matches really well with the bows, so I'm going to layer both of those up because I found the gold one to be quite bold and I wanted it to be a bit more of a lots of pink kind of spread, so I do add the pink on top of it. So I'm just adding that in now, and then I move on to my actual boxes on my pages. So first off, I've decided to cover my hand in stickers and I'm just adding the days of the week. I don't show every single one because it's just repeating the same thing. And then underneath my days of the week, I want to add my to-do list. This is my for my household stuff, and I add one of them for every day because I have to clean every day because my house gets very messy very, very quickly. And then underneath that, I'm adding these half boxes because for each day I want to have a space for either appointments or something that I think is the most important thing for me to remember for that day. So I've added those in, and as well as that, I'm adding in meal plans. Those are the thin ones I've just added in there, and then I'm just adding my trackers in, one for vitamins, one for water at the bottom of the pages as well. Now these next ones are for my social media, YouTube, blogging, all that kind of thing, and I usually try and do a little bit every day, but I'm trying to stick to doing it all during the week mostly, and then having my weekends free to do other things. So I have decided to add them just on the Monday to Friday for this week and see how I get on. And as you can see, I'm using these thin strips and I've put them over the embossing because obviously you can't write with pen over embossing, so you do need your stickers over the top of the metallic hearts there. So they're split into 4 boxes for each day, which gives me 4 different to-dos for the day to make sure I get everything done for a week. And now I've got all those basic things down that I need to do. I just add some pretty stickers here and there that came in with the kit as well. Some cute little planner bows and coffee and little planners there. And because of the way I've printed my printables, there's quite a wide space down each side on the outside, which I might try and utilise next week in a different way. But for this week I just decided to add a bit more pink glitter washi because it's pretty. And that is me done. So thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more from me. And have a great day. Don't forget to check out Fab Planner Print. Bye!